Energy doesn't just come from sleep or food. It comes from your mind, from what you allow in and what you let run wild. You can eat clean, exercise, and still feel exhausted. Why? Because your thoughts are burning fuel faster than your body ever could. Overthinking, doubt, negativity. These aren't just mental habits, they're energy leaks. And if you don't protect yourself from them, no routine, no motivation, no discipline will ever be enough. You don't just need to rest your body, you need to guard your mind. Overthinking is a slow, silent drain. It convinces you that you're being productive when really, you're just circling. You replay what happened. You simulate what might. You imagine every outcome, every judgment, every failure. But thought without action is weight. And the more you carry, the heavier you feel. You wake up tired, not because you didn't rest, but because your mind never stopped. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Nowhere can a man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." But if your soul is loud, chaotic, restless, you have no retreat at all. Then there's negativity, not the kind from others, the kind you create. The constant assumptions that things will go wrong, that people are against you, that nothing you do will ever be enough. This mindset doesn't just kill motivation, it destroys presence. You stop seeing what's real and start living in worst-case fantasies. Stoicism doesn't ask you to be blindly positive. It asks you to see clearly. Epictetus taught, "It's not events that disturb us, but our interpretation of them." And most of the time, it's not life that's heavy. It's the lens we use to look at it. Protecting your energy starts with awareness. Catch the loop. Interrupt the spiral. When your mind starts racing, ask yourself, is this useful? Is this in my control? If the answer is no, drop it. Not because it doesn't matter, but because your peace matters more. The Stoics didn't suppress their thoughts. They filtered them. They trained their minds to focus only on what they could influence and to let the rest go. This isn't denial, it's discipline. The discipline to say, I don't owe my attention to every worry. I don't owe my energy to every thought. Because where your focus goes, your life follows. You protect your energy by building inner boundaries. Just like you wouldn't let anyone walk into your home and make a mess, don't let every thought walk into your mind unchecked. Set limits on how long you dwell, on how deep you spiral, on how often you revisit pain that isn't helping you grow. This is mental hygiene, and most people never practice it. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." If that's true, then protecting your energy means protecting yourself from your own imagination. Not by fighting it, but by managing it. Your mind is not a battleground. It's a sanctuary, but only if you keep it that way. You can't control what thoughts arrive, but you can control which ones stay. You don't need to solve everything right now. You don't need to believe every fear. You don't need to carry every doubt. Protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's survival. Because a clear mind makes better choices, a calm mind sees opportunity, and a focused mind builds a life that reflects strength, not stress. This is how you stay grounded in chaos. This is how you build unshakable clarity. This is how you protect your stoic steel mind.